Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your KuCoin app not opening, crashing or just not loading properly? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you a very few easy ways to fix it. First method is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between them to see if it works. Second method is clear app cache. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search KuCoin app. Scroll down and go to storage. And here tap clear cache. On iPhone, you may need to reinstall the app instead. Third method is update the app. For that, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Use the search icon at the bottom right and the search bar at the top and search for KuCoin. Locate the app, and if you see an update button instead of open, tap it. Fourth method is simply restart your phone, because sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches, and if nothing works, uninstall the KuCoin app, re-download it from the official store and log in again. And that's it. Try these methods one by one and your KuCoin app should start working again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.